Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to our brand new video. In today's video, we're going to be going over how to actually develop your style as a creative and just kind of the things I did to kind of develop my style and the things I keep doing to keep on evolving and developing my style. So this doesn't really just apply to cover arts. You could, like, if you're watching this and you do like some video editing, you do, whatever you do creatively, and it's kind of in the same realm as, cover arts, I mean, you'll probably find some sort of value out of this. But yeah, I'm just going to be going over everything that I personally find that helps me kind of develop something. And, my style and influences kind of changes a lot. So I'm just going to be going over that shit. The first thing I want to say is to be consistent with your work. That is probably the most effective thing you can do to actually develop your style, because the more you're doing it, the more repetition you do, the more you're gonna learn, and the more you're gonna try to experiment with different things and all that shit. But experiment with different styles. So on Instagram or on Pinterest or whatever, there's so many different styles you guys can do. I know a lot of people have been hitting me up about using my style or whatever. I don't care if you guys are using my style, I'm not gonna lie. But I know a lot of you guys want to kind of develop your own style, and the best way you can do that is by experimenting, just figuring out what kind of resonates with you creatively. You could do that by looking on Pinterest. Like, you can develop a whole style just on Pinterest. Like, when you go through different styles of art, you kind of start to curate like a algorithm, I guess, and it kind of just like, I know you guys will understand what I mean if you guys actually use it. But the more you kind of like start looking at things, start clicking on things, and it catches your eye, the more you keep doing that, the more an algorithm like builds up, and it's really good. But then again, you might start to become limited by that. So find other inspirations from like movies or anything like that creatively, anything that brings some sort of creative spark to you. It's probably the best way to go about it. So the next thing is kind of the same as experimenting, but it's analyzing other people's work. Now, the reason I'm putting this in here is because that's how I, get better and just experiment with it, just get better and develop a style. Because when you look at someone else's work and you can break it down, and take elements from it, just keep taking elements from shit and then adding it into your own work. You see something, you add it in. You see another thing, you add it in, and then you kind of just create different, like a different style, a unique style for yourself. And I've started to notice that everyone has their own unique style in this whole cover art scene. Like, it's really crazy. But yeah, if you guys are struggling with kind of like seeing what is being done in a cover art, you can DM me on Discord if you need. I can try and help you break it down and shit like that. The next point is basically to just ask for opinions or advice on how to get better, or opinions on what you can do with your art or with your work to actually improve it. You can ask designers. Literally most designers will hit you back and just say, change this, change that. But yeah, that's probably the best way to get better. Just at any stage, look for opinions and advice. I need to do that, even I need to do that more. But yeah, that's the best way you can develop a style, and improve your style in general. So the last point is to just invest in your work altogether. Now, you can do this in like so many different ways. You could buy yourself a new PC. You could buy yourself a new monitor with good colors on it. Like, my monitor is trash with colors, so you could do that. You could buy more RAM for your PC. You could buy packs. I have packs on my site. That's a little quick plug, unintentional. But if you guys do want to get my mixed media pack, I did just drop that. But yeah, just investing in making your just invest in making your whole process easier to work with, and faster, more efficient, everything. That's just the best way you guys can just get better and shit. Because when you have like really shitty equipment, like say you have a laptop that's really old and whatever, that's gonna hold you back so much. Obviously it's good start, like if you're starting, that's something, but you're gonna be held back a lot because you won't be able to do a lot of other shit. You won't be able to open like big files or anything like. And once you get like, even with covers, if you guys have realized, the bigger the file size gets, the harder it is to work if you have a trash PC. So yeah, that's just all I mean by, investing in your not even your PC, just your whole craft in general. Like whether that's whatever that is for you, you know, definitely make that investment. Um, but yeah, that was basically it for today's video. Just a little quick one, just kind of like going over how to develop your style, I guess. The last one wasn't really about that, but it is what it is. If you guys did enjoy this video, please leave a like, subscribe. Peace.